Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emily, and in this video I will be creating 2 cards using some of the new products from Trinity, and I will share here one of the really cool die sets that was released last week, and this is called Thanks a What. And yeah, it contains a lot of cute dies that you can create interactive cards with, shaker cards, or like I will do today, a light up card. And it has these like wires. I don't know exactly what it's called in English, but these yeah, I will call it wires that you can switch out, and it has different sentiments, and I went with hello, and I thought that was super cute. I cut the base out of vellum, and there is a couple of different sizes of that one, so you can layer them up and creating the exact size that you want to be the perfect one around. So you can see here I cut around the vellum piece as well, just to get sort of an outliner where I can adhere my piece down, and you can see I'm using liquid glue for that, and I have this here so it would lay on top, and we have our frame or light bulb, and I will raise all of this up with some foam strips from Trinity. And I also have one of these one lights from Pearl Blossom Press. I just love these when I'm using when I am creating light up cards. This is the only one I actually have been using because it's super easy to use and figure out how to attach everything. So you can see it comes with the battery, so I'm just putting that into place, figuring out which way is up so that the mechanism will light up. And you can see here I'm just pressing the bottom and the light will like light up. And you can see that the dimension will make it not light up when it's just sort of attached to the background, but when the recipient pushes the bottom it will light up. And Trinity has a really good stamp set that can tell the recipient that this is an interactive card, and I will share it in a second. So I will use that one for a little bottom for this card as well. And I needed a sentiment, so I picked one from the What's Up. This is also a new 4x6 stamp set, and I will use that a little bit more in my next project. I heat embossed in white on top of some pink cardstock, the same pink cardstock I have in the background, or on my card base I should say. And here is that cool stamp set that will tell you what type of interactive card it is. So for mine I just created a little bottom here that it says push, and I'm trying to figure out the best placement for this. And there you go, we have our card. I just picked out a couple of bubbles in coordinating colors, so these are also pink, and I had these sort of scattered around my page. So that's it for our first card, and then we will move on to our second one. For this one I'm using the light bulbs in the What's Up, and yeah, it's a really fun one as well. This is also the stamp set that the sentiment did come from, and you have this sort of smiley face, so I will use that as well. You can see I'm going around just stamping it out. And then I will create a rainbow colored light bulbs here. So I went around using my Olo markers in 2 different shades. I have been loving using these. They are super easy to figure out. So I have mine just with the brush nib. So I will have one lighter and one darker to all the sides. So it's like you're creating your own like tri-blends, if that makes sense. I'm usually only works with like 1 or 2 colors per color family when I'm creating cards. So for me this has turned out really nicely. I don't have to go looking my stash for all my markers. I just have them in a little ball here on my desk, and I'm reaching for them all the time. I don't have since I don't have too many. I think it's 100 something Ola markers that's available. I have them all, but I have them sort of my favorites in a ball here on my desk, so it has worked out really nicely. So here you can see I'm just putting a couple of strips over my card panel there, and that pretty much finished off my second project as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Links to all the products that I used will be listed down below, and I will also have some close-up photos at the end. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!